Wagwan, wagwan, what's great? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome and thank you very much for stopping by. My name is Chef Adrian Morris and you're watching Morris Time Cooking. As seen in the title, today we're going to be making, yes, you saw right and you're going to hear right. We're going to be making some breadfruit punch. See, after the intro, we get right into it.
We know about sardine, mackerel, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
And we are back. As I said before, we're making some breadfruit punch. Typically, we'll just roast this in Jamaica, fry it, or just roast it and just have it like that with whatever side dish. I always go to the grocery store. I'm seeing breadfruit. I'm like, I'm tired of the everyday roast and fry breadfruit. I want to try something different. And I'm like, whoa, it's been a while I haven't had some punch. You know what? Some breadfruit punch. So we're going to make some breadfruit punch. However, this breadfruit, you cannot just blend it up like that and make a punch. It's a very starchy carbohydrate. So we have to cook that properly first. So the first step, we're going to get right into it. So I have here one massive breadfruit. All right, so we're going to cut this in half first. I'm not going to be using the full half for the punch. I'm going to be using about a quarter of this. Awesome, beauty. Look how pretty that is, man. I'm going to be putting away this half for a surprise recipe. Look out. I'm just going to cut this half into half because, as I said, I'm not going to be using the entire thing. I'm going to cut that down. I'm going to remove the middle. You don't want that in a breadfruit. Just peel off that thick skin. I can smell this breadfruit already. It smells so good. Alright, we're just gonna cut that into chunks now, because we want this to cook evenly. Nice chunks. And we're gonna wash these properly. Alright, so I have my water here boiling up. Gonna go right in with our breadfruit pieces. Awesome. Quarter teaspoon of salt. Just gonna give that a mix. The reason why I'm adding salt here, when you're making anything sweet, when you put a little bit of salt in there, it just balances out that sweet. So it's not overpoweringly sweet, it's just nice and mild on the palate. You know what I say? Not a lot of salt. This is about 4 cups of water to 1.5 pounds of that breadfruit. I'm just going to cook these until they're tender. So transfer that pot over to the main stove. And while that's going, we're going to work on the liquid now, right? And I have 1.5 cup of evaporated milk. You can use Supplegen if you want to substitute, or Nutrament, whichever one you like. I'm using the evaporated milk for this one. So I'm going to go in. We don't want to boil this, we just want this to heat up properly. So go in with that evaporated milk, and this is a full can, right? So I'm going to add to that now 1/4 cup of sugar. Mix that in. Then I have here a vanilla bean pod. Instead of using the vanilla extract, you can use vanilla extract. I'm going in with the vanilla bean pod. Just scrape that out to get all of that goodness out. So get all of that vanilla out. Drop them in. This, hey, listen to me, man. This smells so great. So I'm just gonna drop the stems in to give it additional flavor. Mix that up. 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon in there. About 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground nutmeg. I like the fresh one better. Just gives it a great taste. Remember, the heat is already off. Then I'm gonna go in with 1 cup of Guinness, right? This is 2 cups, but I'm using half the amount of this. I'm going in warm or going in hot. And 1 cup of water, but I'm just gonna rinse this out. So 1 cup of water in. Yep, good to go. So that's 1 cup of water, 1 cup of Guinness, 1 can of that evaporated milk. Ooh, smells so good. I'm Just gonna allow this to cool down. We have our cooked breadfruit and it is just knife tender. So there you go, they're nice and tender, and that's what you want. All right, and it's been cooking for 20 minutes on medium heat. So Alyssa and Jamir, they're not here right now. You know what I say? I can't even wait for this to cool down fully. The reason why I'm adding it to my blender, this blender can make soup, so it's fine, all right? Not even gonna wait until this is fully cooled. Gonna pour that liquid in. All right, I'm gonna sweeten now to taste with some condensed milk, and I'm using half cup. You can sweeten at this point to your liking. So the condensed milk in. Just a simple recipe. So let's blend it. All right, see what that looks like. Woo. This is creamy. Look at that. Holy. Mind you, I have this on my ice cream settings just to get it extra creamy. Holy. Let's give that a taste. It's warm. Tastes better when it's chilled, right? Slap. This could be it. Let's pour it out. It's a bit thick. Because it's hot. No mercy. Okay, I see you. You're a bit thick. Tastes good. Gonna add a little bit of water. It's a bit thick. Add a bit of water in there. Beauty. Listen now, man. I'm gonna add this to the fridge and let it cool down. So let me just wrap that up. Put it in the fridge. We're gonna allow that to cool, chill properly. Alright, so listen now. Make we give that a taste. Listen, this is smooth. The Guinness is not overpowering. You taste that breadfruit just going through beautifully. How many ingredients? Just a few. Listen to me, man. This is not for the coward. You hear they say breadfruit is for cowards? No. Oh, white rum. I want to get Alyssa's opinion on this. Okay, so the taste testers are here. Let me see what Jamir thinks of it.
Is he blocking the view?
No, he's fine.
Okay.
Nah, give no wally. I added a bit of white rum to this one. See the difference.
Is it eggnog?
Taste and tell
Supposed to be like a Bailey's?
Taste and tell more, my friend.
I think it's coconut.
What taste now with the rum?
I think
This with the rum is banging. Just needs to be cold.
Yeah, it still not get for cold fully yet. So that is the new and improved breadfruit punch.
Breadfruit?
Yeah.
Shut up.
what?
Yeah. You know breadfruit, right? You always eat breadfruit for breakfast. Yeah.
breadfruit can make drinks?
Yeah, like me buy the breadfruit and I say I'm gonna make 4 different. I'm gonna make a main course with. I make a 3-course meal plus a drink, and that's the breadfruit punch.
Are you sure?
Why? You know, you taste the breadfruit now. Now that me say it, you taste the breadfruit. But me give you like you now go feel gross out and say,
No.
what is this? You taste it.
Huh?
I taste it.
You taste the breadfruit, Jamir? Yeah. It's good, man.
Now that you say it, like the aftertaste, you can taste
You taste the
breadfruit.
breadfruit.
Wow. Not
This
bad at
boy
all.
love it. Not how is the texture?
Amazing.
Just
I love it. It's like creamy.
smooth, creamy.
It's nice. So if people like alcoholic like drinks like that, like Bailey's, they love that.
Can't believe me done the entire thing already. So young boy with the non-alcoholic version. Yo, it's so smooth. Alright, take up a cup. Good. You want more patty to this, so? You gotta drink beer juice to full up a belly on a patty. I know bun and cheese.
That is
Alright, Papa, take up a cup, put in and sink, please. But yeah, there you go. Give this recipe a try. It was a success. Yeah. Subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so as soon as I upload those 3 remaining videos from this breadfruit seed.
He's excited to see his daddy.
This guy is just jumping. From this breadfruit seed. Alright, here is Ajari. Just woke up. And I make be nice in my video. Eh? You make someone nice in my video for. Eh? Oh, he's 6 months by the way, so you can say happy 6 months, right? Right? Oh, I can't get that one because hold on there.
Don't give me.
Why? Nothing wrong with breadfruit, my friend. I talk about in belly.
Is it breadfruit bad for kids?
No. Everybody must taste daddy breadfruit punch. Can't say never drink.
He said no. Wow, the disrespect.
Disrespecting me, Ajari? Second spoon? Yeah?
Oh no, he doesn't like it.
He like it. Come. Come for more. Come. This is the non-alcoholic version. Yeah? My boy likes it, man.
Oh.
No more. Too much for him.
Alright, tell everybody later. Alright, come now. I can turn off the camera finally. Big up on yourself. Safe travel upon the gravel.
And go on, pick up on a salad.
Yeah.